Good morning, everyone. Myself, Kausar Momin, 8th Standard Subject Science, Chapter number 2 Health and Diseases. Let's have a quick recap which we have studied in last lecture. We studied in last lecture about infectious disease. Infectious disease is caused by infection of pathogens into the body of the host. Pathogens are parasitic organisms which include viruses, bacteria, worms, protozoa, and fungi. The organisms in which the pathogens lives and reproduce is called host. Non-infectious disease. This is our today's topic. So let's have a look for the definition of non-infectious disease. There are several diseases which are not caused by infectious agents. Like this disease is not caused by infectious agent. They also do not spread to the people coming in contact with sick person. The causes of such diseases are mostly internal, not infectious one. For example, some cancers are caused by genetic abnormalities. Thus, the diseases which are not caused by infectious agents are called non-infectious diseases. So, here is a topic of non-infectious disease which we are going with our textbook. So, I am reading, listen carefully. Diseases which do not occur through infections and body contacts are called as non-infectious diseases. Such diseases arise in human body itself due to certain reasons, and the reasons are, like very first example we can take cancer. Uncontrolled and abnormal cell growth is called as cancer. In our body, due to abnormal cell growth, in the few part there is a growth of cells is abnormal, and over there with that part cancer is creating. So we can say it as the group or lump. Excessive mass. Lump means excessive mass. Group or lump of cancerous cells is called malignant. Is called malignant tumor. Cancer can occur in various organs like lung, mouth, tongue, stomach, breast, uterus, skin, and tissues like blood cancer. Behind this reason is, we can say that consumption of tobacco, gutka, smoking, alcoholism, lack of fiber content like fruits, leafy vegetables in our food. So if you are not having like proper fiber in your body, then also cancer can come, like lack of fruits and vegetables. If you are not having a lot of vegetables, if you are not eating vegetables, so for the same also it can create in future. So we should have to eat fruits and vegetables all the time, okay, in our food. And excessive consumption of junk food. In the junk food, pizza, burger, all these things come. We should avoid mostly pizza and burger all the time, okay. Some of the many possible reasons. Heredity may also be a reason. It is like through the, it can come from our parents also. Okay, our next topic where we can study about symptoms. Chronic cough, hoarse voice, difficulty in swallowing, incurable scar and inflammation, lumps in breast, unexplained weight loss. We should know modern techniques, modern diagnostic and treatment of cancer. Various techniques like CT scan, MRI scan, mammography, biopsy are used in diagnosis of cancer. In case of treatment, along with conventional methods like chemotherapy, radiation therapy, surgery, modern techniques like robotic laparoscopic surgery are also followed. You can search all these names on Google and you can see the images of the this modern techniques. Okay, and always remember, controlled diet helps to prevent some types of cancer. Physical exercise along with modern treatment is more beneficial to cure the cancer. Avoid addictions like tobacco, chewing, smoking, all these things. If in our circle some friend is doing the thing, we should have to tell, we should give the knowledge for the same. It's to avoid all these things. Okay, now our next topic is diabetes. The hormone insulin produced in pancreas controls the level of sugar glucose in body blood. If insulin is secreted in low quantity, glucose level cannot be controlled. This disorder is called as diabetes. Diabetes means, shortly we can say, in pancreas the hormone insulin produced and the level of sugar glucose in blood. If the insulin is secreted in low quantity, the glucose level cannot be controlled, and this disorder is called as diabetes. So if a person gets diabetes, for the same symptoms are frequent urination at night, increase obesity, or we can say it as weight loss. And reasons for diabetes is heredity, obesity, lack of physical exercise and mental stress. These are the reasons for diabetes. So we can like there are preventive measures for the same, and preventive measures are like, as per doctor prescription, we have to follow a proper diet. Then medicines, exercise under the supervision of doctor helps to keep diabetes under control. These are the preventive measures for the diabetes. This is only for the extra knowledge. Do you know India has largest number of diabetes patients in the world? At present, approximately 7 crore diabetes patients are present in our country. Now our next topic, very interesting, about heart disease. Efficiency of the heart disease, efficiency of the heart decreases due to decreased blood supply and thereby oxygen and nutrient supply to the heart muscles. Due to this, heart has to perform more work that leads to stress on it. This may cause heart attack. If someone has heart attack, immediate consultation of doctor and treatment is necessary. Otherwise, the person gets dead. Okay, heart disease means, we can say, efficiency of heart decreases. Efficiency of the heart decreases due to the decreased blood supply. Due to decrease with the proper blood supply is not there in heart, so during that, or with thereby oxygen and nutrient supply to the heart muscles. Due to this, heart has to perform more work to leads to stress on it. Due to that, on the heart, more stress comes on it, and this may cause heart attack. If someone gets heart attack, we should move very fast towards the doctor. We should not to wait. Okay, always remember, each disease has a specific scientific reason. Diabetes do not occur due to divine curse or hating by anyone. Diseases can be cured by proper medical treatment, and do not chanting mantras or performing magic tricks. If someone is getting heart attack, and we should instead of to go to doctor, we are going to the mantra baba and all. This does not work. This is a disease in which we have to proper go to, we need a consultation of doctor. Okay, so here next is, one should not ignore these symptoms. If heart attack is there, so all these symptoms we should not to ignore, like severe chest pain, pains in shoulder, neck and arms, cramps in hands, uneasiness, tremors, all these symptoms we should not to avoid. If something is there with our body, we should go to first doctor and ask them like this part is there, to what to do. So they will give you very best solution for the same. Okay. And reasons for attack: smoking, alcoholism, diabetes, hypertension, obesity, lack of physical exercise, heredity, mental stress, anger, anxiety. All these reasons are there behind to like reasons of heart attack. Okay, now for the heart attack, there is a we can say there is treatment. And here like heart diseases gives us during the treatment: open heart surgery, installation of pacemaker, installation of stents, heart transplant, angioplasty, bypass surgery. All these types are going on. That means the person has an heart diseases. Okay. So very first aid for heart diseases: if someone getting an heart disease, if someone getting an attack, so for that first aid is call 108 for ambulance. Check the consciousness of patient by shaking the shoulders. Keep the patient lying on back in horizontal position on hard surface, and perform the compression only life support. In this, press the center of rocks for at least 30 times at the rate of 100 to 120 strokes per minute. Now next topic is misuse of medicine. We should avoid this type of uses of medicine. Okay, like this comes in misuse. Okay, sometimes people take the medicines without prescription of doctor. Overdose of medicines may affect our body. Example: overdose of painkillers may damage nervous system, excretory system, liver. Overdose of antibiotics may lead nausea, stomach ache, dysentery, rash, white patches on tongue, etc. These are the causes. These are the things which are happening due to misuse of medicines. If you are suffering with a fever, if you are having some pain, we should go to first doctor. Without prescription of doctor, don't take any medicine. Poor people do not afford the costly medicine. So is there any alternative for this, and which one? Yes, there is alternative for this. Like poor people cannot afford like costly medicine nowadays. In this modern dynamics, medicines are getting very costly, so poor people cannot afford it. So do you have any idea for the same, any alternative for the same? Yes, there is an alternative, which is generic medicine. So what is generic medicine? Generic medicine are also known as general medicines. These are manufactured and distributed without any patent. Like for this there is no tax or like taxable. These are not taxable. So these medicines are at per quantity with branded medicines. Production of cost of these medicines is very low due to favor expenses on research, as their formula is readily available. For this medicine, formula is available for the same. There is no much more expenses are there. That is why these medicines are not costly. Like poor people can afford very. So now next topic is lifestyle and diseases. Nowadays you can observe the lifestyle. We are doing late nights, and we are not waking up early morning. We are having junk food. There is no physical exercise. All these things are there. So due to this, diseases also enters in our body, which we can say non-infectious disease can enter through this our lifestyle. Because of this lifestyle, non-infectious disease comes to us. So to avoid this, we have to know the few idea for the same. So let's go ahead with it, and I'm reading this part. Lifestyle includes the daily routine and the type of food. Nowadays, habits like staying in bed till late morning, going to bed late night, frequent changes in meal timing, lack of physical exercise, consumption of junk food, etc., have been increased. Due to this, such people are getting sick frequently because they are very lazy. If frequently of becoming sick is to be lowered, people should follow right lifestyle. It must include sufficient sleep, right food, yoga asanas, pranayam, and physical exercise. Physical exercise should also be as per one's on our capacity. Pranayam and yoga asanas should be performed under the expert supervision. If we perform a pranayam, you don't know where to move and all, and if you are going wrong, then some your body part will gets loosened. So that is why we should follow the pranayam through the expert. So we should have to see the videos of pranayam and yoga asanas. Okay. Next is vaccination. It's an important prevent in the infectious disease. Collect the vaccination schedule chart from nearby clinic and study it, and we should go ahead with our vaccination all the time. Nowadays corona is there, and the vaccination is also going on. If a person in your house which is 45 plus, so in your nearer area for 45 plus people there are vaccinations are there, so please tell them to go for vaccine. It is very important. Okay, do you have any idea about how generic medicine comes, like for low cost medicine? So for behind that there is thing is there. So just read it out. Government of India declared the Pradhan Mantri Jan Aushadhi Yojana on 1st July 2015. Before 2015 there was no generic medicine. Okay, it was there, but due to this Aushadhi Yojana by 1st July 2015, in this scheme best quality medicines are made available in affordable prices to citizens. Jan Aushadhi stores are launched for this purpose. You can search where is Jan Aushadhi or Jan Aushadhi store nearer by your area. Stores will be there. Okay, so you also can buy your medicines from there. They are very low cost medicine, and content will be same. Okay, Indian companies export the generic medicines on large scale. However, those medicines are sold under brand name with high prices in India. In America, 80% medicines are used the generic. Due to this, hundreds of billions of money is saved there. So we also have to follow the generic medicines which are not branded, but content of the medicines are same. Now this is very important, not for your syllabus but for your extra knowledge. So we have to celebrate these days all the time. We should aware about these days. 7th April is World Health Day. 29th September is World Heart Day. 14th June is World Blood Donation Day, and 14th November is World Diabetes Day. This is the important thing behind to blood donate. This is the importance. Understand the importance behind blood donation. 1 unit blood donated by a person can fulfill the need of 3 persons at a time. For example, in our blood there are RBCs, WBCs and platelets are there. Few persons needs RBC, few people needs WBC and few people needs platelets. You may have heard about the platelets counts is very low for the person is on ICU and all. Those people needs this packets. So if you donate this blood, so you are saving 3 persons at a time life, like RBC, WBC and platelets. Those who need, they can take this. Okay, one can save the life of 12 persons by donating the blood for 4 times a year. So we should have a blood donation in habit. Okay. Here is a quick slide for non-infectious diseases which do not occur through infections and body contacts are called as non-infectious diseases. Such diseases arise in human body itself due to certain reasons. So this is the slide for non-infectious disease. Please observe with the heading I kept few pictures of images over there. You can understand very clearly what type of infection is there, like it is non-infectious disease and how it comes to human's body. Okay, so just read it out. First is cancer. Uncontrolled and abnormal cell growth is called as cancer. So group or lump of cancerous cells is called as malignant tumor. You can observe here in this image that is a tumor is forming, how lump comes over there. Cancer can occur in various organs: lungs, mouth, tongue, stomach, breast, uterus, skin and tissues like blood. Reasons behind is consumption of tobacco, gutka, smoking, alcoholism. These are the reasons of cancer, we can say. Or lack of fiber content fruits and leafy vegetables in food. I have covered this in theory part. I just want to show you pictures, so that is why I am keeping this slide. Excessive consumption of junk food, pizza, burger, so avoid it all the time. Heredity may also be a reason. Symptoms are like chronic cough, hoarse voice, difficulty in swallowing. Incurable scar and inflammation. Lumps in breast. Do you know modern diagnostic and treatment of cancer, which I have covered in your textbook also? Various techniques like CT scan, MRI scan, mammography, biopsy are used in diagnosis of cancer. In case of treatment, along with conventional methods like chemotherapy, radiation therapy and surgery, modern techniques like robotics and laparoscopic surgery are also followed. Always remember, controlled diet helps to prevent some types of cancer. Physical exercise along with modern treatment is more beneficial to cure the cancer. Avoid addictions like tobacco, chewing, smoking, etc. Next is diabetes. The hormone insulin produced in pancreas controls the level of sugar glucose in blood. If insulin is secreted in low quantity, glucose level cannot be controlled. This disorder is called as diabetes. Symptoms: frequent urination at night, increased obesity or weight loss, lack of physical exercise, mental stress. Preventive measures: following the proper diet, medicines and exercise under the supervision of doctor helps to keep the diabetes under control. Do you know India has the largest number of diabetes patients in the world? At present, approximately 7 crore. Next topic is heart disease. Efficiency of the heart decreases due to decreased blood supply and thereby oxygen and nutrient supply to the heart muscles. Due to this, heart has to perform more work that leads to stress on it. This may cause heart attack. If someone has heart attack, immediate consultation of doctor and treatment is necessary. Symptoms: severe chest pain, pain in shoulder, neck and arms, cramps in hand, uneasiness and tremors. Obesity, lack of physical exercise. Heredity, heredity means through parents. Mental stress, anger and anxiety. These are the first aid for heart disease which I cover in your textbook, theory part also in previous minutes. Okay, you just read it out. Just stop your video, pause your video and video all these things. You will recover the part which I have covered in few minutes before. See, I told you for the same this you have to follow early recognition activation. This comes, we should have to call first of all 108 ambulance call. Now next is early chest compression. This way we have to compress it out and early transfer. These are the misuse of medicines. Please pause the video and read it. I already covered this part also. Next is generic medicines. This also I taught you in your textbook part. In previous minutes, you just pause the video and read it. All these things I have told you, but this is point wise. That is why I am showing you. Just pause the video and read it carefully. Use of ICT, you can easily obtain the generic medicines using mobile apps like health cart and all. Okay, so lifestyle and diseases. Lifestyle include the daily routine and the type of food. Download those apps on your mobile and use it if it is necessary. I stop my video over here. Here your chapter gets over. In the next lecture I will send you the notes of this chapter, and you all have to write the notes in your homework notebook. Don't ask me again and again where to write. So please make a homework notebook, and in that you have to write your notes. Okay, thank you.